This is going to be a 2019 retake of the elevator at the Gulfgate Professional Plaza in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go at 2. Door takes a while to shut. Here we go. There we are, 2. My camera keeps going out of focus for some reason, but anyway, here's your view. We're gonna go back down now. We're gonna wait for it to shut. I was wondering if there would be 2 times for down, but apparently there isn't. So again, these are, I believe, EPCO Circle Line fixtures. Here is your non-ADA compliant phone. Here's the inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. Alright, there it goes. Actually, on second thought, let me just give you a little bit of a demonstration of this exterior floor indicator. As soon as it shuts. Hopefully it works. I don't know. I actually don't even know for sure if it works. You can, yeah, actually you can see the 2 light up. One, however, I don't think works. So, that being said, also wait, let me just show you. This elevator could have easily been made scenic. So, with that being said, that'll be it.